Hi, my name is Sharita Henry, and I am a student at the University of Victoria in the Masters of Arts Community Development program. As I found myself moving towards a career serving communities, specifically in the charitable sector, I realized that my undergraduate degree was not 100% tailored to the work that I wanted to be doing. I've been working as a community development practitioner for over a decade, but I decided that I wanted to further hone my skills in a more formal academic environment to complement my work experience. As a community development practitioner, committing to social justice, equity, anti-racism, and decolonization is essential because these elements are the foundation for building truly inclusive and thriving communities. It's not just about knowing the textbook definition of these words, but really understanding why they are so important to our work. When we focus on social justice and equity, we're working towards leveling the playing field, making sure everyone has a fair chance, regardless of their background. This is important because without it, we continue to perpetuate systems that undervalue, oppress, and marginalize specific people and communities. A commitment to anti-racism challenges us to look at these biases and power dynamics that are baked into our systems and practices. It pushes us to confront uncomfortable truths and take meaningful actions to dismantle those structures that perpetuate inequality. Without this work, we risk overlooking the very real ways that racism affects people's lives every day. Decolonization is equally important because it recognizes that our current systems were built on a legacy of historical and contemporary colonization and oppression that still impacts communities today. By prioritizing decolonization, we actively work to uplift Indigenous voices, traditional knowledge, and leadership, which helps us to create more equitable and culturally relevant approaches to community development. These commitments matter because they are about creating communities where everyone can genuinely participate, feel valued, and thrive. They remind us that community development is not just about building programs or infrastructure or funding streams, but really about fostering spaces where everyone feels seen, heard, and empowered to contribute to a shared future. Joining the MACD program at UVic is a great choice for anyone who is passionate about community development. It goes beyond the basics, focusing on real-world issues and concepts. The program is hands-on, it gives us opportunities to engage directly with community projects and learn from experienced faculty. It's designed to give you the skills and confidence to lead, whether in policy or grassroots organizing or any other area of community work. And if you want to make a real and sustainable impact, this program is the perfect place to start.